Hi everyone, by the end of this video, you'll be able to solve 5 divided by 3, and then you have 4 minus 1 inside these brackets, or in other words, parentheses. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get over 10,000 subscribers. If we can reach 100,000 subscribers, that'll be awesome. And then from there on will be even more awesome. So let's go ahead and solve this math problem. And to solve this math problem, we're going to need the help of PAMDAS. And PAMDAS is just an acronym that will help us remember the order of operations. So I see division, I see subtraction, I see parentheses. We could multiply 3 times 4 and 3 times 1, but we need to follow PAMDAS, which is the order of operations. So looking at letter 1, or the first letter is parentheses. So in our problem, in our math problem, parentheses will go first. Looking at N is the highest level of PAMDAS. E stands for exponents. We don't have exponents. We do have maybe multiplication, but we do have division. So multiplication and division are both operations are within its level. And then lastly, AS, addition and subtraction, which we do have subtraction. Those two operations are both within its level. So there are 4 different levels. And so reading the math problem with different operations, you read or solve from left to right according to its levels. So let's go ahead and tackle this math problem. So we know parentheses will go first. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Uh-oh, we need more ink. That's not good. Okay, let me use a different color here. And this one ran out of ink. Uh-oh. I need to buy more markers. Let's try this color. 3. There we go. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And then we bring down the 5 divided by 3. And this will be times. You can keep its parentheses, but we know that's times. Bring down the 3, the division sign, and the 5 down. Now we have 5 divided by 3 times 3. And remember, and again, you solve from left to right or read from left to right. So 5 divided by 3 times 3. According to PAMDAS, we do have multiplication and division, or vice versa. And we just don't go by, oh, the M will go first and then division will go second. No, we read from left to right. So 5 divided by 3 will go first because we are reading from left to right. And both operations are within this box, this level. And again, you don't go by the strictness of or the letters in a strict order. You go by, or you follow the left to right according to its levels. So 5 divided by 3 will go first. And to make the math easy, I'll just write 5 over 3 and then bring down times 3, or let's turn this 3 into a fraction to make the math easy. So times 3 over 1. We know 3 divided by 1 equals 3, does not change the 3. So now we have 5 over 3 times 3 over 1, and you multiply across. So 5 times 3 is 15 over 3 times 1 is 3, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So your answer is 5. And there you go. Again, subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 100,000 subscribers. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.